Hey, what's up guys? This is Josh with HashtagsForLikes, and in today's video, we're going to talk about what you can do to grow your Instagram as fast as possible in 2020. So let's dive right into it. So when somebody lands on your Instagram account, you have to be very few seconds to get them to become interested in who you are and what you do. Aside from a bio that paints a vivid picture of your account, what you do, and who you are, you have room for one bio link URL. Now, a great practice is offering your prospective followers a genuine free piece of value that they can use to help them solve their specific problems, whatever they might be. So there's no cookie cutter approach to posting, I'll tell you that for sure. But here's the deal. Posting consistently, I'm gonna continue to beat this into your brain like a dead horse, all right? When you post consistently, you give your current followers the actual chance, right, to expect your content and also engage more. And for new prospective followers, for people who are not following you, you give them loads of content that they can actually consume because they've never seen you before, all right? And a lot of high quality content is going to increase the chances of them following you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So videos, stories, albums, you get the picture, guys. No pun intended. But listen, the best way to continue to grow your Instagram account is to be smart about changing up what you're posting. Instagram isn't a platform that stays the same. So you need to keep things fresh and you need to switch it up. When you use specific hashtag sets that are geared to create more reach and higher engagement, the followers follow. When you don't even use hashtags, or even worse, use the wrong ones, you get practically no reach, all right? No reach at all, and if you do get reach, you get the wrong kind of people and the wrong kind of followers. Check out on the link down below in the description to try out the world's best hashtag generator, HashtagsForLikes. So standing out is key when it comes to getting more Instagram followers. I think we can all agree. And modeling the content that's already working by finding influencers in your niche and modeling that content, but giving your own flavor is a great way to get more followers and a better engagement ratio. So guys, I hope that's helped you. That's 5 proven ways to get you guys more Instagram followers in 2020. And like always, smash that like button, give us a comment, tell us what you want to hear. And also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. I'm going to be releasing lots of content for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.